AI is taking over retail jobs, right? Wrong. That fear is fiction. The real threat isn't robots stealing work, it's retailers ignoring the truth because they're drowning in misinformation. So today, we're myth busting the biggest lies in AI automation, specifically the ones costing you sales, staff morale, and sanity. Look, retail leaders are being hit from every angle. You're told to automate or die, but no one explains what that actually means. You're stuck between overpriced tech, outdated systems, and employees who are terrified AI will replace them. It's confusing, it's noisy, and worst of all, it's keeping you from winning. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you clarity. You'll learn which automation myths are sabotaging your business and how smart retailers are using AI to boost efficiency without losing the human touch. You don't need a 7-figure budget. You just need the truth and the right tools. But before we jump in, if you're interested in mastering AI or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below to set up a free one-on-one call with me and discover the possibilities. Now, let's get dangerous. Let's start with the biggest fear-mongering myth in retail. AI is going to replace all your employees. That's just lazy thinking. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to enhance them. Think about self-checkout. Did it wipe out cashiers? No. It gave them breathing room to focus on higher value tasks, like customer service, upselling, and managing the floor. Or take inventory bots. They don't fire your stockroom team. They handle the grunt work of counting and tracking so your team can actually manage logistics smarter. Here's the truth. AI does the repetitive stuff your team hates, so your people can do what people do best. Think, engage, sell. Retail isn't going human-less. It's going human-first, AI supported. Here's another lie that's holding smaller retailers back. AI is only for the Amazons and Walmarts of the world. Nope, not anymore. So yeah, AI used to be expensive. Now, not using it is what's expensive. This one drives me crazy. AI automation makes customer service cold and robotic. Only if you're doing it wrong. Done right, automation actually makes the customer experience more human, not less. Picture this. An AI tool that instantly recommends the perfect product based on past purchases. A chatbot that answers 90% of customer questions in real time. No hold music, no tickets. An abandoned cart email that actually feels personal, not like spam. You're not replacing connection. You're removing friction. Customers don't care if it's AI or a human behind the scenes. They care about speed, relevance, and that's exactly what smart automation delivers. This last one is dangerous because it sounds convenient. Set it and forget it. Nope, that's how you end up with broken bots and outdated data making decisions for you. AI automation isn't a microwave, it's a living system. You don't just install it and walk away. You train it, test it, and tweak it. You look at the data, you see what's working, and you optimize. Think of it like hiring a new employee. You wouldn't expect them to nail everything on day one. You coach, adjust, and improve. Same with AI. The business winning with automation is treating it like a process, not a product. All right, let's talk numbers. A major retail case study shows that retailers who adopt AI for personalization, inventory, and logistics report higher conversion rates, fewer stockouts, and faster decision making. One example, a fashion brand used advanced AI demand forecasting and saw boosted full price sales and reduced markdowns. Another example, retailers offering hyper personalized experiences with AI have seen 25% higher average order values and around 19% lower return rates. Bottom line, This isn't hype. The numbers show that when you implement smart automation right, you get measurable wins, more revenue, less waste, and strong customer loyalty. If you're interested in mastering AI or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below to set up a free one-on-one call with me and discover the possibilities. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing. Because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.